Here's a fun weekend project. Build a set of rudder pedals from scratch and a genuine set of rudder pedals from Beechcraft. And a run-of-the-mill door closer available from your local hardware store. This is the prototype. Lots of things wrong with it. My measurements are way off here and here. What's throwing me off is I've got a cross brace underneath the sim that goes right along this edge, so I can't really put anything along here under the floor. So I'm trying to compensate for that. Haven't quite nailed it yet. However, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. The door closer provides a lot of tension so that when you move it off center, let me take these fake braces off. When you move it off center, you do get a lot of tension, and it springs back. It doesn't snap back, it springs back because it's a door closer. And then of course the hard points that will control this go from here on the rudder pedal, about right there, to about here. This is difficult when I'm looking at it through a video. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to translate the movement over to the other side. I had a wild idea to use this gear head. The problem comes in when you add these braces from the rudder pedals. This side is going to get in the way, so I need to figure that out. I've got enough room. I don't really need this part here, so I can move this. Let's see if I can get a better look. I can move this a little further back, I think. That'll give me the clearance up here to hopefully move this piece back to about here, because what'll happen is as these rudder pedals move, they're going to bind up against that piston, so that's undesirable. But it's a start. Give me some different ideas on how to do things. I think what I may end up doing is end up just putting a regular spring here rather than this hydraulic damper, and then probably get a no force damper maybe here to help soften the movement back and forth so it's not as springy when you step on the rudder. And then since this is going to get moved back a little bit, I may put the mount for the crossbar here or somewhere around here up in front, which will be a little easier to translate back and forth. I don't have much clearance. I can't go beyond here because that's the back of the sim, and I've got a bunch of stuff back there that'll get in the way of the crossbar if I mount it here. So it only leaves me one option really, to try to mount the crossbar here. This piece is going to be a lot more solid. I cut it this way just as an example to test this. And that's, I got what I wanted, so got some new ideas. Gonna scrap some other ideas that I thought would work but aren't going to work, so it should be fun to see what happens. More to come.